friends, welcome to Lesson 3. In this video, you will learn how to memorize Chinese characters and how to write a legible version in the correct stroke order. If you haven't watched Lesson 1 and 2, please take some time to go through it. It will help you more effectively. Let's start from the basic strokes. 横折钩 A horizontal turning hook. It starts with a 横, then turns downwards with a 竖钩. For example, the part highlighted in red for 门 and 月. 窝钩 A line hook. It stretches out from the left to the right in a curve, then completing it with a left upward hook. For example, the part highlighted in red for 心 and 宁. From this slide onwards, we will learn 4 Chinese characters in Lesson 3. 月 means moon. It starts with a 撇, then a 横折钩. We finish it by writing 2 short 横 in the middle of the character. 心 means heart. It starts with a 撇, then we write a 窝钩. Next, put a 点 on the top of 窝钩. Lastly, we write another 点 on the right of 窝钩. 中 means middle. It starts with writing a rectangle, which comprised of 竖, 横折, and then 横. Lastly, we write the longest 竖 in the middle of the rectangle. 人 means human being. It starts with a 撇 and finish it with a 捺. 谢谢你的收看. If you have already enrolled our courses at Chinese Studio, please download the character writing sheets from your learning portal. It comes with grid, and you can follow the correct stroke order to learn all the characters covered in this lesson. 再见!